Manambina, Madagascar, home to a precious ecosystem comprising a series of lakes and a forest of Badika, a native species of palm tree. It's the Badika which attracted the tobacco industry, which has brutally exploited this precious resource. Each year it cuts down 500 cubic metres of trees that are used as stakes in the tobacco nurseries. Seeing the damage to the Badika and how this was damaging the whole ecosystem, local people decided they had to find a way to challenge the tobacco industry.
Taolohan'ny famindram-pitantanana dia hita fa fiainana gaboraraka no hita. Ary azo lazana hoe nanao fiainana samy maka ho azy mihitsy ny olona tamin'izany satria samy manao an'izay saim-patany.
The main source of income for the local population, 10 communities and over 1,000 households, is fishing. Each year they harvest over 150 tonnes of fish, which provide income and food security. It is local expertise in conserving this resource which underpins their approach to securing management of the lands and Badika forests. Determined to safeguard the forest from the tobacco industry, 2 communities demanded that the Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Fisheries transfer management of the lands and waters for which they had long been responsible.
Taorian'ny fanapotehana nataon'ny Soamitambatra zay zany dia nivondrona ny fokonolona nandray tanana sy nandray fepetra zany mikasika ny fahapotehan'ny ala. Dia noho izany hita tokoa ny am'izao fa nanomboka miamitsiro ny ala satria tsisy manapotika intsony.
The system the community reintroduced is based on social contracts called dina. It involves a range of stakeholders, including the tobacco company. Seeing the success of the approach, 8 other communities joined to form the Soamitambatra Union. Regular maintenance of the lakes is crucial, and removing invasive species an ongoing challenge involving the whole community.
Anisan'ny mandray anjara amin'ity fangalanany akata vahiny ato amin'ity ranovorom-maro lefity amin'izao fotoana izao aloha satria misy asa tanan'olo maro ato zany amin'ny mahatompona andraikitra voalohan'ny tegna dia tsy maintsy mitarika aloha zany tegna mitarika an'ilay olona hanao an'ity hanatanteraka an'ity asa ity.
Each household earns around $200 a month, 4 times the local minimum wage. 2/3 of the money comes from selling fish, the rest from a women's basket weaving group.
Nefa noho izany andrefa noho ny zavatra tsapanay fa tsy mety aminay mihitsy ilay izy dia nitambatra izahay tato amin'ny commune Manambina izay namonangana ny fikambanana natao hoe Soamitambatra ary nanala n'izany be miridana zany. Amin'izao fotoana izao dia tsapanay tokoa ilay izy fa miamiverina tsikelikely tokoa ilay vokatra noho ny asa izay fandrombonanay satria iarahanay miasa tokoa izy io amin'ny mpitandro ny filaminana indrindra ny mpanao kolony ary iarahanay miasa midigna mba hifehezanay izany asa zany azahoanay vokatra tsaratsara kokoa.
The increase in income means each family can afford a pirogue or fishing boat.
Noho ny fahitanay ny fahaovan'ny toetrandro zany dia hitanay tato amin'ny Union Soamitambatra tokoa ilay izy fa lasa ny ohatran'izany koa ny fotoana fanatodizan'ny trondro. Ka raha taloha izy tamin'ny 2010 oktobra dia hitanay fa lany atody tokoa ny trondro amin'izay fotoana izay vao mihidy ilay rano. Nahatsapa izahay tato amin'ny Union Soamitambatra dia nanao fanohinana tany amin'ny service teknika hajanay tokoa ny fidin'ny rano satria hitanay fa voalohany fotoana fanatodizan'ny trondro ary rehefa afaka roa volany dia efa afaka alaina sady ny zana-trondro tamin'ny fotoana igny ary mihamaro ny vokatra.
A portion of the earnings is contributed to the Soamitambatra Union, and together they have devised a range of measures to combat climate change. Salting and smoking fish to be stored in case of a food shortage is one measure.
Da ngame fizalignanay ngame mosharinay la ave fisakanazy mivoha eranta katroka hay mihaza da mikatroka da ave ranora zay va miegna hay mihaza nada arato koa miasa da mikatroka koa magnarato koa da avy koa valatoshky da mikatroka koa magnisy valatoshky zay gn'asanay aminay ty agny.
Another is diversifying their crops and cultivating rice, peanuts and maize. Stockpiling seeds is an important backup in case of drought, and all families store a variety. Soamitambatra hasn't neglected the need to manage the land, and for the last decade, strict rules have prevented bushfires. Guarding the Badika forest is also part of their mission, which has been regenerated through their activities.
Miavatra ho an'izao tontolo zao dia ny fanapahan-kevitra eny amin'ny rafitra iny fotony ho fanatanterahana ny adidy aman-draikitra.